Sample paper 5, question number 8. So the differential equation order. So what is order means? Order means the highest derivative. So let us consider the given dE. 2x square into d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So highest derivative is equal to d square y by dx square. So what is order then? It was 2 times differentiated. He is not talking about the degree. Degree means what? Power. He is asking how many times it was differentiated. That is what called order. So order is 2. 2 is the answer of this question. Option A is correct. So it says x1 greater than or equal to 0, x2 greater than or equal to 0. That means it indicates first quadrant where x1 is x-axis, x2 is y-axis. x1 plus 2x2, x1 plus 2x2 equal to 8. That means x1 by 8 plus x2 by 4 is equal to 1. Next inequality, or these are called constraints. 3x1 plus 2x2 equal to 15. Means x1 by 5 plus x2 by 15 by 2 is equal to 1. Third constraint, 5x1 plus 2x2 equal to 20. Means x1 by 4, I divided with 20, then I got this. Okay, you know how to convert these things. And x2 by 10 is equal to 1. So the numbers are on x-axis, you have to map 5, 8, 4. So just write 4, 5, and 8. And x2 values 4, 15 by 2 means 7.5, 10. So 4. So all are, if you observe the constraint, the inequalities are greater than. Greater than means upside or top side, you have to give the values. The shading portion will be upside. Okay. Here you can understood that there is a point of intersection. We will see later what was this. Okay. And third constraint x1 by 4, x2 by 10. That means this part. So here a point of intersection. So all are indicating upside shading portion. Okay. So first what we have to do, if you say this is first one, second one, third one, first one is intercepts 8 and 4. This is first line. And second one is 5, 15 by 2. This is second line. And this is, of course, third line. And you know the corner point. This corner point. The corner point is 8, 0. 8, 0. There is a corner point, but you have to get minimum value. Okay. So corner point 8 comma 0. If you substitute this point in Z, it will be 20 into x1 value 8 plus 20 into x2 value 0. It will be 28 160. Again, one more corner point 0 comma 10. 0 comma 10. Now we will find out this point is how much? 20 into 10, which will be 200. Now, two more corner points left, this point and this point. For getting this, let us suppose say it is P and this is Q. So for getting P, you have to solve 1 and 2. So solving 1 comma 2. 1 is x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 8. So x1 is equal to 8 minus 2x2. And second equation is 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 15. So 3 times of x1 means 8 minus 2x2 plus 2x2 is equal to 15. 8 3s are 24 minus 3 2s are 6 x2 plus 2x2 is equal to 15. So this will be minus 4x2 is equal to 15 minus 24. 15 minus 24 is minus 9. Minus minus got cancelled. So x2 is equal to 9 by 4. So x2 means like y value, 9 by 4. So here, if you substitute in this equation, you will get 8 minus 2 times of 9 by 4. Keep that 4 same. 4 8s are 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18. 12 minus 8 is 4. 14. So 14 by 9. 14 by 4. 14 by 4 means of course 7 by 2. But there is no such option is there. So you can leave this value, not needed. Next point of intersection is between, it happens that point Q. The point of intersection will be Q as next corner point. And it is the point of intersection of 2 and 3. So solving 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So 3x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 15. 5x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 20. Do subtraction. It's got cancelled. This is minus 2x1 is equal to minus 5. X1 is equal to 5 by 2. If x1 is 5 by 2, then x2 is how much? I am substituting this value here. 3 5s are 15 by 2 plus 2x2 is equal to 15. So 2x2 is equal to 15 minus 15 by 2 means 15 by 2. So it is 15 by 4. X2 is 15 by 4. So 5 by 2 comma 15 by 4 I am trying for getting Z value. So 20 times of 5 by 2, 20 times of 15 by 4. So it cancel 10 times, it cancel 5 times. 10 5s are 50 plus 5 15s are 75. So it will be 125. So out of all these, this is the least value. So option B is correct. Section B, 23rd question. Integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus 2x dx. We know a formula. Integral log x dx is equal to x of log x minus 1. But this is not x. So what we do? Let 1 plus 2x is equal to t. 2 dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. And also we will solve lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit 0. So 1 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 3. So this problem changes to lower limit 1, upper limit 3. And this is log t because 1 plus 2x is t. And dx is 1 by 2 dt. So write down off outside of the integral sign. And log t, you know that t times of log t minus 1 as similar to x of log x minus 1. And it is under the limits 1 to 3. So 1 by 2 of, first I am substituting upper limit, 3 times of log 3 minus 1 minus lower limit, 1 time of log 1 minus 1. So 1 by 2 times of 3 log 3 minus 3 minus 1 of log 1 is 0 minus 1. So 1 by 2 times of 3 log 3 minus 3 minus of minus plus 1. So 1 by 2 of 3 log 3 minus 2 is the answer. So write down solution. Mij. Mij is called minor. Cij is called cofactor. So he is asking to calculate first columns, minors and cofactors. So first column means this thing. The first one is A11 and the A11 is 5, A21 is 0. So write down A11 is 5, A21 is 0. M11 is equal to. M11 means delete the row and column. Delete the row and column. What left? That is M11. Similarly, delete the row and column of M22 to get M22. M21. It is 20. So after getting these minors, we have to calculate C11. It is nothing but minus 1 to the power of I plus j into Mij. That is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, M11. That is minus 1 to the power of 2, M11, it is minus 1. So this is plus 1 and this is minus 1, which is minus 1. Similarly, C21. So minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1, M21. So minus 1 to the power of 3, M21 is 20. So this 4, it is minus 20. So after that he said, and hence evaluate determinant. So determinant A is equal to, you can write A11 into C11 plus A21 into C21. A11 is 5. 5 into C11 is minus 1 plus A21 is 0. A21 is 0. C21 is minus 20. So therefore the answer is minus 5. That is the determinant. A loss of 1000 rupees A company suffers a loss of 1000 rupees if its product does not sell at all. Marginal revenue and marginal cost functions are given. So, right solution given marginal revenue, MR is equal to 50 minus 4x. Marginal cost MC is equal to minus 10 plus x. For marginal revenue, you can get marginal profit, marginal profit, marginal profit, or you can say simply dp by dx is equal to marginal revenue minus marginal cost. So 50 minus 4x minus 10 plus x, it will be 50 plus 10, 60 minus 4x minus x minus 5x. So this is what dp by dx. And now integrating on both of the sides, integral dp is equal to integral 60 minus 5x dx, or else you can do, you know how to calculate profit function p of x. So 60x minus 5x squared by 2 plus some constant k. He said if x is equal to 0, profit value will be 1000 rupees loss, he said. Substitute in this equation from first equation. P of x will be minus 1000, 60 into 0, x value 0. 5 into 0 square by 2 plus k. So therefore, constant value will be, k value will be minus 1000 rupees. Therefore, profit function or P of x is equal to 60x minus 5x square by 2 minus 1000. He said it is maximum, or he said it is maximum. Determine the total profit function. Okay, we created total profit function P of x. And he said for break-even point, profit maximization level of output. So for maximum profit, dp by dx is equal to 0. We have already this dp by dx, 60 minus 5x. 60 minus 5x is equal to 0. X is equal to 60 by 5, which is 12. And he is asking break-even points. Break-even point. For break-even point, profit value will be 0. So profit means 60x minus 5x squared by 2 minus 1000 is equal to 0. This is actually a quadratic equation. So 5x square, or here for showing maximum, you have to calculate d square y by dx square. That means 60 derivative 0 minus 5x derivative minus 5. That is minus 5, which is negative. P of x has maximum at x is equal to 12. Okay. You have to confirm like that. Must and should you have to show the second derivative. Now, coming to this point, I'm doing LCM and with 5x square by 2, I'm doing 5x square by changing the sign first. Minus 60x plus 1000 is equal to 0. 5x square minus 120x plus 2000 is equal to 0. You can cancel 5 table, x square 2 5s are 10, 24x plus 400 is equal to 0. So first calculate discriminant. You know that b square minus 4ac. So here a equal to 1, b is equal to minus 24, c is equal to 400. B square means minus 24 square. Minus 4a c is 400. 24 square is 576 minus 1600. Clearly it is negative. If discriminant is negative, no real root. No real root or x value. So therefore, no break-even point. Find the mean and variance of the number of hits in the two tosses of a coin. And our question, two biased dice are thrown together. For the first die, P of 6, 1 by 2. Other scores being equally too likely, while for the second die, P of 1, 2 by 5. And the others scores are equally likely. Find the probability distribution of the number of ones seen. Okay, we will do first question. Find the mean and variance of the number of hits in the two tosses of a coin. So n is equal to 2 because one coin was taken and it was tossed twice. And he is asking head and tail. Coin means those are the outcomes, no? So for a head, you have to say it is success probability 1 by 2. These probabilities were calculated for one-time tossing. If you toss one time, the probability of getting head is 1 by 2. And getting tail treated as a failure probability, which is Q. So how to decide success and failure? What he asked, according to that, you have to decide. He's asking about head. So that will be the success. So say head will be P. And other events, tail, it will be Q. And you know, tail probability also 1 by 2. You know that from a coin is tossed. Getting head is 1 by 2. Getting tail is also 1 by 2. And twice it is tossed. We have to create a distribution. So let us suppose first define the variable. Variable is number of heads. So x here and p of x here. So 0 heads, 1 heads, 2 heads. Because trials were only 2. Only you will get 2 heads or 2 tails. That's it. So 0 means x is head. X is heads. 0 heads. So out of 2 times of tossing, select 0 times. You have to get a head. How many times? 0 times. 0 heads and 2 coins are tossed means the both are tails only. 2 tails. 2 tails. 2C0 is 1. Head probability 1 by 2 power 0. Tail probability 1 by 2 power 2. So 1 into 1 by 2 power 0 is also 1. This is 1 by 4. So if you multiply, this case, I got a probability 1 by 4. For getting one head. So 2 times we are tossing. we will select one time and head will be one time appeared and other coin shows tail. Out of two coins, one coin will show head and other coin will show tail. 2C1 means 2, 1 by 2 power 1, tail probability also 1 by 2. So don't cancel anything, write down 2 by 4. That is the probability. Next, last case, two heads. Select 2C2 and heads are 2. That means tails are 0. No tails there. Because 2 coin shows head, no. 2C2 1, head probability 1 by 2 square, tail probability 1 by 2 power 0. So this is also 1 by 4. Now we will calculate mean. So mean formula is sigma xi pi. Sigma means sum. X means 0 into 1 by 4, 1 into 2 by 4, plus 2 into 1 by 4. This event and this one will be multiplied. This is xi's and 1 by 4, these things are probabilities, pi. The first value 0, so 2 by 4, 2 by 4, 4 by 4, 1. So this is the answer. Is asking variance. The variance formula is sigma xi square pi minus mu square. Xi square means 0 square into 1 by 4, 1 square into 2 by 4, plus 2 square into 1 by 4, minus mu square means mean square, 1 square. So this is 0, this is 2 by 4 only, this is 4 by 4, minus 1. So 6 by 4 minus 1. 6 minus 4 by 4. 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So this is the variance.
This question
Of
says
the
two biased
first
tosses.
question. Two biased dice. Two biased dice are thrown together. Two biased dice are thrown together. This is our question. Biased die means they are already programmed die. For the first die, it shows P of 6 equal to 1 by 2. So suppose this is a first die. It's a programmed die. For getting 6 on it, the probability was given. It was declared probability. 1 by 2. Other scores are being equally likely. Equally likely means what? They are all equal. So die means 6 faces, you know. So they are equally likely means P of 1. P of 1 means getting probability 1 and getting probability 2 and getting probability 3, getting probability 4, getting probability 5 are equal. And we know that sum of probabilities is equal to 1. That means P of 1 plus, P of 2 plus, P of 3 plus, P of 4 plus, P of 5 plus, P of 6 all are equal to 1. And P of 1, we will keep P of 1 as P of 1, P of 2 as P of 1. Why? Because he said remaining all events are equally likely. What is equally likely means probabilities are same. Probability values are same. So P of 2, you can write P of 1. P of 3, you can write P of 1. P of 4 also you can replace with P of 1. P of 5 also replaced by P of 1. But P of 6 it was given. Look at this, 1 by 2. So write down 1 by 2. and all these values are equal to 1. How many P of 1s is there? 5 times P of 1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. I moved this 1 by 2 right side. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, P of 1 is equal to 1 by 10. And you are thinking that why I am taking P of 1 only? Because if you observe the entire question, okay, he is talking about second dilator. And he is asking that find the probability distribution, the number of ones. If both the dice are rolled and the results is observed, he is only asking for one on the die. So that's why I turned this entire values into probability of one appearance. So I calculated for P of 1. Yes, the remaining probabilities are also same. P of 2 is 1 by 10 here. P of 3 also 1 by 10. All are equal. Now, coming to the point of second die. The second die is also a biased die. Biased die means what? According to our what we needed, that will be shown. It was shown on the top of the face of this die. That kind of die is called biased. See, sometimes our friends also will stand at our side, whether we are in wrong or right side, right? That is called biasness. So this is biased die. Okay, what it says is a second die. It shows 2 by 5. P of 1 is 2 by 5. Actually, no need of calculating the other things. But we will calculate the things. Okay. And the other scores are equally likely. Here also you have to behave the same. So P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 plus P of 6 is equal to sum of probabilities 1. This is 2 by 5, 5 times of, I am keeping P of 2, okay, equal to 1. So 5 times of P of 2 equal to 5 times of P of 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. 5 times of P of 2 is equal to, this is 3 by 5. So P of 2 is equal to 3 by 25. So finally, you have to get conclusion that now X is equal to number of ones on two dice. So this is X and this is P of X. Just he is asking to find the probability distribution only. That means we have to show a table. That's it. First, we will write 0 ones. 0 1 means no ones. No ones means first die is not showing 10, 1. Second die is also not showing 1. So how much is this? 9 by 10 multiplied by 3 by 5. So 27 out of 50. And 1 showing. One die will show 1. So for example, first die shows 1 and second die not shows 1. Similarly, first die is not showing 1, second die showing 1. So this is 1 by 10, 3 by 5 plus 9 by 10, 2 by 5. This is 3 by 50 plus 18 by 50 equal to 21 by 50. And at last, two dice are showing ones on it. So 1 by 10 into 2 by 5. This is 2 by 50. So this is what the distribution. Now, in this question, read the text carefully and answer the question. Amit, Beeraj and Chirag were given in the task creating square matrices of order 2. Below are the matrices created by them, A, B, C. Matrices created by Amit, Beeraj and Chirag respectively. A was created by Amit, B, Biraj and C by Chirag. If A equal to 4, B equal to -2, based on the above information, answer the following questions. What is the sum of the matrices A plus B plus C? You can do it directly. Second question, A transpose whole transpose. A transpose whole transpose is A only. Transpose means changing rows into columns. Okay, I will do this. So 1, 2, -1, 3, transpose. Transpose means rows into column, column into rows. So first row become first column. Second row becomes second column. Again, A transpose whole transpose. That means again you have to transpose the elements of A transpose. So again row become column, column become row. So again you got A. That's what this question. What is the value of B into A whole transpose? B into A whole transpose. Third question. B into A whole transpose. So we will, B value, it was given -2. So -2 into A whole transpose. So we will multiply matrix A with -2. 1, 2, -1, 3 and whole transpose. So -2, -4, 2, -6 whole transpose. Transpose means row into column. So row will be changed to column. Second row will be changed to second column. This will be the answer. What is the value of AC minus BC? AC minus BC means is equal to first you can do A minus B into C. A minus B means subtraction 1 2 -1 3. B matrix is 4015 and it is completely multiplied by the matrix C. C is 201 -2. 201 -2. Later we will do multiplication. First we will do subtraction. So corresponding elements should be subtracted. 1 and -4. 2 -0. -1 -1. 3 -5. Multiplied by 2, 1, 0, -2. And this value will be -3, -2, 2, -2. 2, 0, 1, -2. And row into column. Just do this. So this is multiplication. -3 into 2. Always you have to write plus. And 2 into 1. This 2 into 1. Okay. And give some gap. And again, do like this. This one into this one. -3 into 0 plus 2 into -2. Always you have to keep plus. After completing this, again, second row and first column. So -2 into 2 plus -2 into 1. Completed. This is completely element. Again, second row, second column. -2 into 0 plus -2 into -2. This is -6 plus 2, -4 -2. This is 0 -4. 0 plus 4. This is -4 -6, -4 plus 4. This will be the answer.